YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 Mid women's exclusive dark root beat colorway. But before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. With that being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. So the Jordan 1 Mid women's exclusive colorway dark beetroot does come in this Jordan box in white and gold. The retail price is $125 US. You have your normal Jordan 23 wrapping, nothing special. Bam. I actually wish they would have done this in the men's sizes. I think it only went up to like a women's 12, which is a men's 10.5. Now the shoe sold out almost instantly, and there's actually some resell with this colorway, and I'll get into resell and my resell predictions at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. But looking closer at this colorway, you do have this black, maroon, and white color scheme. You got white underlays, maroon Nike swoosh and heel section, as well as the toe box. And around the toe box is black leather running up the lace lining, and in the back you do have this satin-like material in black on the heel section. They do that a lot with the women's exclusives, which I think it's a nice touch. I don't think it looks bad by any means. It does look a little more feminine, so I understand it, but I think it looks nice. It's very light and subtle. It's not too much, so not bad. Then you do have this tongue in white leather with your Jumpman logo up at the top. Now let's look at these laces. So you got black laces with all these little lace locks. They really wanted to go all out with this women's exclusive and, you know, just show their appreciation for, I guess, women in general. And you can see the women lettering on that tag down at the bottom. Then you got Jordan 1985, and up the top you do have this little Jumpman logo with a clip. I think a lot of people are gonna unclip this, wear it as a necklace, and then your other pair does have the same thing, except for this one has the Air Wings logo. So some cool little pins for the lace locks. You guys can see how it goes on there. Pretty simple. I think you could really use any of these and throw them on a chain and make them work as necklaces. I just think this one's gonna be the easiest because it does have the little clip. So I thought that was a cool little touch. It definitely is a little more feminine, but if you are a guy and you do get this shoe, it's super simple to get rid of the women lettering right there, and you know, you're good. Like if this came out in a high version, yo, it'd be done. Resell on this would be crazy, especially with all the little accessories. This colorway is super clean. You know, it definitely screams Jordan brand, Michael Jordan, the Bulls, all that stuff, without having that like Raging Bull red colorway. So it's a little more subtle. Now you do have a black lining, blue insole with a black Jumpman logo. I don't get why they threw the blue in there. So you got blue on the insole as well as on the tongue. You got a blue Jumpman logo. I honestly don't see the point of that. I think throwing blue on this colorway just makes no sense. I feel like Jordan brand does that intentionally. Like they'll make a really good colorway and then just throw some crap on it. You know, that kind of ruins it. I don't know why, but it happens with almost every colorway, I swear. They need some different people on that design team or something, because they take a really good colorway and they ruin it by throwing on some blue and doing it in a mid version. Now the shoe does have a white midsole and full maroon outsole. So yeah, I really like this colorway, and like I said, I think there's gonna be some resale potential in the near future. So the shoe does have some resale on it right now, going for around 150 to 200 depending on the size. So pretty decent resale for a mid, and I think that price is gonna go up with time. We've seen mids hit 300 and plus before, usually on the women's exclusive. So this one right here, with it being such a clean colorway, all the little like gold accessories, I think has some really good potential for resale. So if you did buy this shoe with the intentions of reselling, I highly recommend that you hold on to the shoe for at least 6 months just to see where the market goes. But yeah, there's my take on the shoe, the colorway, women's exclusive, dark beetroot. Let me know what you guys think. Did you cop? Are you gonna cop now that you've seen the video? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section below. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, your boy Breezy Kicks, we out.
I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a God that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.